Alright everyone, welcome to this Minecraft command block tutorial video here on the channel, and I wanted to do a small tutorial today. I'm a bit tired from work honestly, but I wanted to get some content to you, so that is what I'm doing. And I've got something pretty cool to show you, something that I think will be a nice tip, because I don't think people know you can do this with command blocks, but you can see here I have two detectors here in the standard format, where if they are activated, a redstone lamp is shown on the detector. And there are two signs on them. One of them says Drackiseries and the other one says EFO, right? But one of them is activated and the other isn't. So essentially what these detectors are doing is they are basically detecting specific or particular players in the Minecraft world, or at least where it can actually find them, I guess you could say, because command blocks do have a limit to how far in the Minecraft world they can check. So in all of the chunks and in all of the blocks that the command block can see, if it finds a particular player, these detectors will activate. So this is actually really simple. It's not hard at all. You don't need to know a lot about command blocks to get this to work, but I'm in Minecraft 1.21.4 and I'm on the Java edition. Just very quickly here, I'm just going to explain how the detector actually works, just for anyone new to this video. But you can see here we have a persistent redstone lamp here, because the detector is in an activated state. But essentially what ends up happening is the detector is dynamic, so it can reset itself and place the redstone lamp. So above this command block, it places an air block, which allows it to reset itself. And then the other command block then does the check. And if that's successful, it places the redstone lamp on the detector. And as you can see, that allows it to be dynamic and turn on and off depending on the situation. And we have a repeating command block and a chain command block, both running into each other, and they are both always active in the settings here. And that is pretty much it. I'm now going to show the commands we're actually using here, because all we're doing is we're using an execute if entity command to check if a particular entity meets certain criteria or conditions. So let's show you the commands so I can show them in more detail. All right, everyone, we're now inside the text editor right here. And as you can see, we have two commands I want to show you. I would urge you to watch this part of the video so you get to know how these work. And I will be putting these commands in the description of the video as well, so you can copy paste them into your Minecraft and have a look for yourself. But the first command is used by the detector to place a air block on the detector itself to allow it to reset. And in this case, I'm using relative coordinates to place it above the detector. It may be different for you depending on what you want to do. So you may have to play around with the relative coordinates in these commands here. These happen to be correct for my particular case here. And the second command is where the magic actually happens. So we have execute if entity, and we're doing @e, which means all entities. And this bit is the most important part. So type equals player. So that makes sure it only checks player entities. That's very, very important. If you do not put this in, if someone names an entity Drackiseries, the command block will pick it up. So you need to make sure it's checking players only. And then we have name equals. So there's a special check you can do for an entity name, or in this case, the username of the player. So we have Drackiseries there. And then if it's successful, we then run setblock and then place a redstone lamp above the detector here. So that's basically it. It's very, very straightforward, probably more straightforward than you thought, but hopefully this helps you out in this area. Alright everyone, thank you for watching this video right here. If you did find this useful and you enjoyed the video and you want to support the channel, be sure to like, share and subscribe. It'd be very much appreciated. And make sure that you hit the bell so you're notified of new videos here on the channel. And if you want to follow my socials, they're on screen and in the description. And if there's any other tutorials you want me to do, let me know in the comments down below and I may do it for a future video. But stay happy and healthy, everyone. Hopefully, I'll see you again soon with another tutorial. Sorry, this is a bit short, but it's all I had time for, and I hope to do some more soon. So stay tuned. See you in the next video. Bye bye.